Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Floor closer on a really old door, and we're trying to put an automatic operator on it. And the closer is just fighting the operator. So what we would normally do with a more up-to-date closer is just put a little ring type piece over the spindle, and then the closer is basically just a pivot at that point. I'm trying to find out if these work the same way, or if some of these pieces would have to be manufacturer specific. If you're using a dorma, there'd be a dorma piece to make the closer inactive or not function. Or is there a way just on the inside of the closer to just, loosen everything up and have it swing freely without any tension?
So is this an application where you have added an automatic operator to an existing floor closer installation?
Yes.
Okay. So the bottom line is, what you said earlier is the solution, and we sell the hardware to do it. It's a thrust bearing. It's a new bottom arm, and it will sit on top of that spindle, and the thrust bearing in the new bottom arm will simply bypass the spindle in the closer, allowing that to swing freely. Now,
okay.
The answer to the latter, I don't know. I don't know if it would be reasonable to have that closer disassembled, parts removed, and then expect it to work permanently forever. I'm going to go with no on that, because I think because you've got an auto operator, you're going to want a thrust bearing sort of application so that it swings as friction free as possible, would be my answer.
Okay. Would you be able to send me a quote and maybe some information on the first, the hardware to have this closer swing freely? Maybe
Absolutely.
If there's some installation instructions or something like that.
Absolutely. All right, tell me your email and I'll get it over to you. Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.